this is a more normal speed, and I will take a look on this one. Sometimes it can stop and a lot of tweaking is needed here, but this is a normal speed. This is example when it's too quickly. So now you need to adjust this one or that one, but in my case I think it's this one. I was touching it a little bit, I turned it a little bit down, so this is one way of adjusting the time if it gains a lot of speed. I will show you when how it's supposed to look like. So this watch is humming, and probably you can see that when I'm showing you this. I will show you a little bit down here. This is humming, and it's also giving well, this is working good. So I will show you when it hums but it doesn't work, and these are connected, as you can see. I will show you how you can fix it. So I will basically move the index finger and try to adjust it to fix it. Wait a second. Yeah, this is a little bit can be a little bit tricky sometimes, but now I am trying to move this a little bit. Please take note of that one which is moving. We'll try to. This can take some time sometimes. We'll see if I can see. I'll move a little bit on. This one. This is how you, as you can see, really is some fine adjustments which is needed on this one because it's moving. There you have it. Whoops. And it's important that this movement is of course holding hard in this one. I will try once more. There you go. That is actually how it works, and that is the tricky part with these watches. And sometimes you need to move this one a little bit, and sometimes you need to move this one. And this has a good speed, and it can stop. And for that reason, you need to tweak a little bit with and adjust a little bit by turning also this one. But hopefully I can fix this. So for the first time I show you this in the video. I hope this is, well, I hope it's useful for someone out there. Thank you so much. So now it looks a little bit better. We will see how long it works. So you have to observe after you have placed this and see that it doesn't stop. Let's take also a look here. So when I noticed it was working, but it stopped, and I adjusted this one, as you can see, which actually is, as I told you before, it's, I'll show you this one. So we will see how it works now, but I'm happy I could show you this on video when I adjusted that one. So if your watch is humming and giving some sound but it doesn't work, try to adjust these ones. The index fingers sometimes need to be adjusted. And about the speed on this one, I think probably too fast, but we will see.